Hello guys, I go by the name Daniel Patrick, and my goal is to enlighten you guys about this new gold called cryptocurrency. Rest assured that the future of money is here. Like I always say, you can come for the content, but try as much as possible to stay for the community. Today I'm going to be introducing to you a new app called a relatively new app called Monica.ng. Now this is an app that would enable you to transfer your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT, or convert your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT to Naira easily to Naira. Let me say you have someone abroad that wants to say you send you Bitcoin and you don't really know where to receive this coin to. You don't know how Trust Wallet works, all those crypto wallet works. You can easily download Monica.ng and they get to see, copy your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT wallet address depending on the one they want to send to you, and you get to let me just click on this right now, and you get to receive this coin directly into the app, automatically converted to Naira without stress, no hassle. All right, this is the site right here, and you can see it says everything money and bills. I like the interface of this site. So this site is a site that would explain to you everything you need to know about this app. These guys are not joking. They have been recommended by several media outlets, all right, Guardian, Vanguard, PM News, and so many of them, even social media outlets like Netherland and Co. All right, so many of them. These guys are super legit. All right, now if you want to download this app, you can click on this. They have the Apple Store and the Play Store button, which is for iOS and Android. So depending on the device you are using, just go to your Play Store and search for Monica.ng, or simply come over to the site right here, click search for Monica.ng on Google, and come over to this site right here and click on the download button. All right, now if you want to learn more about this app, you can click on this three horizontal line at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then click on about us. All right, there's about us, there's a referral section, there's the how to use, commitment, and FAQ section. Now this is a part that will explain this very video step by step. I already created a video on important things you need to know about this app. I've explained the FAQs, listed companies, and media outlets that recommended them. So I won't be going into that right now, but I'm just going to quickly scroll through and show you some of the services they offer. As you can see right here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, etc. Full control over your money. Connect between crypto and fiat easily. As you can see right here, it says receive crypto from all over the world and convert to Naira or cedis. Wow, they just included cedis and I didn't even notice that. All right, but so if you're in Ghana or Nigeria, you can easily do this right here. All right, on this very app called Monica.ng. For those of us that we don't know how the app looks like, this is the very app right here. Once you download it, it's going to look exactly like this. All right, it's going to look exactly like this. All right, so back to the site right now. It says $36 million processed through cryptocurrency. That's a lot, guys. That is a lot. Now bills, payment, enjoy a wide range of biller from airtime to gift cards and betting on Monica. All right, available billers, more futures. We offer even more with top rated, talented people who provide quality services, powered by people. Fiat currency are powered by your powerful Monica peer engine with over 5,000 peer agent, and so on and so forth. It just keeps, if you keep reading and all that, you get to understand this app better. As you can see right here, everything is looking all clean, the interface nice and beautiful. So I'm going to head back to the app right now. Once the app is being downloaded and you log into the app right here, so I'm just going to sign in right now with my password, and then I'm going to click on log in. So that's it. So it's just logged me into my account right now, and if you want to pay your bills, it's simple. Just come over to bills. All right, you just come over to bills, and you have to create a pin. All right, you have to create a 4-digit pin. All right, make sure you keep that pin safe always, so you don't go asking the customer support to change the pin for you. If you want to withdraw, you can come over here. All right, you can come over here. I think Yes, the pin you use for withdrawal is the same you use for the bills, all right? The 4-digit pin. Make sure you keep it safe as always. Now, before you sign up for this app, make sure you use my invitation code money 540104, which is, I'll repeat, money 540104, MONI 540104. All right, now see, this is the value of what you'll be getting. Now you get 100 naira bonus instantly on your wallet. We will reward you with a bonus for inviting your friends to join Monica. For every transaction your friends do, you get 100 naira bonus instantly on your wallet. Now the reward is endless for every transaction they carry out, whether they carry out 100 transactions in a day, 10 transactions, 2 transactions, and so on and so forth. You get paid for each transaction. So this is why I'm asking you to use my invitation code. All right, if you want to get into the referrals program, it's good you invite people to. All right, this is where you get to see your invitation code. All right, so how do you get your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT wallet address? Just come over here and click on View Wallets. So I'm going to click on that right now. And as you can see here, we have the BTC, the USDT, and the ETH. All right. If I click on BTC, here is the wallet address. Okay, I'm just going to click on this little copy icon right here, and as you can see, it says copy to clipboard. All right, now the rates would always be displayed here, the rate at that moment. Make sure you check the rate before you carry out the transaction. Very important, always check the rate. All right, so I'm just going to head back right now and click on USDT. If I click on USDT right here, as you can see, there's option for USDT, TRC20, BEP20, and ERC20. That is for Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Tron. So whichever of the 3 USDT you have or your sender have, you just have to ask them which they have that they want to transfer to you, and it's simple. You get to provide them with this wallet address by just clicking on any of them. Like, let me just say TRC20, and I'm just going to click on the very first one up there, and as you can see, this is your wallet address for USDT TRC20. all right, at the rate of 1015 naira. All right, it's displaying in naira here because I'm in Nigeria. All right, I selected my country to be Nigeria. Same for Ethereum right here. All right, same for Ethereum right here. You have your invitation code and you get to see the rate displayed for the day. Now, as you can see here, there's an important notice which says send only Ethereum to this address. Now, don't go and copy Ethereum address. If you're new to crypto, don't copy Ethereum address and send to the person to send your Bitcoin. It doesn't work that way. Your fund would get lost. You experience loss of funds. All right, only copy address that are suitable with each other. If he's sending you Bitcoin, copy Bitcoin. If he's sending you USDT, copy USDT, and copy exactly the USDT address it is sending, whether TRC20, BEP20, or ERC20. Yes, so you have to make sure whether this USDT the person have is Tron, Binance Smart Chain, or Ethereum, so you don't make mistake and experience loss of fund or something. All right, so this is it, that guys. This is basically, now if you want to contact support, just come over here and click on that. It will lead you directly to WhatsApp. All right, their customer support is very active. I've chatted with them severally and they respond in maximum 3 hours. All right, as at the time of creating this video, I can't vouch for them later on from now, but from as at the time of creating this video, maximum 3 hours, and they respond to you ASAP. For here, this is where you get to see your transaction. Any transaction you carry out for the day would be displayed right here. All right, so this is basically the major thing you need to know about this app. Your available balance will be displayed right here. Now, this is it. Whenever someone transfers either Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT, for now, you're going to see your balance right here. All right, automatically converted to naira. So this is how it works, guys. It's as easy as ABC. If you come over here, just come over here right now, you can see so many functions like the Monica Academy, the leaderboard, the change pin, reset pin, delete accounts, social media accounts, and then log out. I believe all these are self-explanatory except for the Monica Academy. Now, the last time I checked for the Monica Academy, they said a prompt popped up which said coming soon. Already, Academy is not yet available, but I don't really know. You can try that later on. So what are you waiting for? Go and grab that USDT or Bitcoin or Ethereum from those people that really want to send it to you. Ask them for it right now. You have a wallet you can use to collect this very money from there. and transfer it to your Monica.ng app. Alright, I hope I'm making sense. Now, if you like this video, make sure you leave a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out whenever I create videos like this. Alright, I create cryptocurrency videos on how to mine Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron coin, Solana coin, and the like. So if you're really pumped up about videos like this, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. Alright, you can also join our social media handle. Alright, just use the link in the description of this video. We have our Facebook group and our Telegram group. Alright, make sure you join the social media handle. Very, very important. I remain your crypto guide and Patrick, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.